Hi guys, Rick here with FixIt Wrap. If you've ever run into this situation, I got a great way to show you how to fix this. We'll fix it in a few steps. Just follow me. So the first thing you're going to want to do is try to get this thing to be stable, so that way you can, if you don't have someone to help you hold it. So we're going to do it like as if I don't have anybody to help me. So I'm going to stick this in here. That way I can get it centered up. I'm going to see exactly where I have this thing busted, figure out where it would go, and then I'm going to use a product called FixIt Wrap. FixIt Wrap is great. It can fix just about anything. So first we'll just take everything out of the package. I'll show you what's all in here. You have gloves, a roll of fiberglass tape. You have this plastic stuff, but that's only if you need to fix something that's leaking, so we don't really need that. The only thing we really need is this and the gloves. So we'll go ahead and put our gloves on. Sometimes too, the best thing to do, it comes with a piece of sandpaper so you can sand around there so that way you get a good adhesion. That way it sticks nice. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take it out of the pouch there. The directions say that you need to dip it into water, but if you don't have that opportunity, you could just take some water and then get it nice and soaked and wet. So if you have some, obviously you would have had to bring some water with you. Just get it nice and wet. Make sure it gets down in there around the resin and everything. Pull it in your hand a little bit like that so it soaks it up. Once you get it, squeeze it out a little bit, put the water down, then you want to start wrapping it around. So you kind of have to piece it together nice and tight. Then you start wrapping. Try to get the first of it real tight so you get a nice binding. It's going to move about on you a little bit, but as long as you get it tight. And just squeeze it through, rub it so that way it stays nice and tight in there. Then what you can do is lay it flat on the ground. That way it binds correctly. Give it a few minutes to soak in there, and just wait for it about 10-15 minutes. FixIt Wrap. Get fixed done.